Am I audible, guys? Am I audible, guys? No compression is done. Remove duplicate. No, actually, I didn't doing this question yesterday. Given character, compress it using the following algorithm, beginning with only consecutive repeating string characters. Consecutive repeating character. If the group length is one, append the character to S. So basically, I have to create another string. In another string, what I have to do? Got one more reference. So what I have to do here is that I have to create. I have to just remove this. I have to think again. So what I know, I have to create a string answer. Initially, the value will be empty. Now, fine. If the group length is one, append the character to S. So basically, I'm using that one pointer I. Now, what I know here is that I got some character. So, okay, I will see that, okay, I is less than n, int n is equals to nums, not nums. It should be chars dot size, right? That's what it is. After that, I will take that char c, which is equals to whatever the chars of I, chars of I. And now what I will do? While I will see, I will use another pointer. Int j is equals to 0. Okay, so basically this will store the count. This will store the count that this particular character, how many times it should come. So I will see that, okay, chars of, I will take another pointer into j is equals to 0. So I will see that, okay, if char j is equals to what c. So what does it means? It means that I have to increase j plus plus and also increase the count. After increasing the count, what I know? I know that what is the longest consecutive sequence that I get. So after getting the longest consecutive sequence, I have to do something. But what I will do? With the longest consecutive sequence, I have to do something. What I should do? Huh. I have to store that character. Like I have to append that character string plus equals to what? And basically I have to return the length of a string. Or I will get the string plus equals to add that particular character, and after that I have to append that what is or not string. This should be answer. And then after that I will add answer plus equals to string. So this will convert my count into string. So I think so. After doing that, then what I will do? I have to check that what is my string now. Care C answer. So I will do C out C. I will return 0 here initially because I want to check that what I actually get. And after that, I have to do count is equals to 0 again. And then I have to move my I pointer also. Mm. So basically, what I will do, I will encounter what? I will encounter after ending of J. What I will do, J will stop at that point where it is not equals to C. While so what I will do, I will put that I is equals to J there. And let's see. I got time limit exceeded. Okay. Hmm. So why the time limit has been exceeded? Hey, I'm beginner. Good dedication. Why? Thank you so much, buddy. Hey, I'm a beginner. Can you tell me how do I start solving every day lead code problem? I'm solving an easy problem. I cannot solve it at all without looking the solution. Read it. No problem. If you are beginner, then you must read the solution because you don't know that many approaches that has been applied in a particular question, or also you don't know that particular data structure maybe. So read it, uh, and then so what you have to do basically is like suppose if you are doing two pointers. Okay, now you know that what is two pointer, how we can apply that two pointer thing. So what you will do, you will practice at least 20 to 30 question on that particular pattern, right? And give at least 2 to 3 hours to a question if you are not able to solve and if you are a beginner. That is one of the best thing that will help you out in future. Which sheet should I follow for beginner? LeetCode 150 is beginner friendly. If you are beginner and if you have a time, you have rather than following 150, follow 900. Huh. Because more question you practice, more you learn. So that's why I will suggest don't do 150 or 250, do 900. And do that sheet more than 2 to 3 times. That's enough. Okay, I have done something wrong. Why my time limit is exceeded? So I have to figure it out. Like I see here that mm, okay. I see character I and then there is count, there is j is equals to 0, while character j is equals to c. So I will see that okay, this is equals to c and this is oh okay. I have to see. I have to see that. Wait a moment, wait a moment. What I see here is okay, I encounter that okay, basically whatever the character that is present as j will be equals to c. So I will move, I will again, so I will move my j and also increase the count. Now after that, I will again see that okay, j is there and basically character j is equals to c, right? So what I will do again, I will increase my j and count. Oh, when I come out from the loop, what I have to do? Oh, what I have to do here? When I stand here, I know that what is the longest consecutive single character string. Okay, so what I will do, I will put my I at this point. So I will become equals to j, and after that I will store whatever the answer, whatever the c that I have, and then after that I will store the count of that particular, and I will make count is equals to 0. Oh, the major problem is that when j reaches end, so at that time I will never update it, right? I will never update it, so I have to do something. Hmm. Hmm. Because when j will be at end, j will be at end, at that time also I have to stop the loop, right? So I think so. If I see that okay, j will be an n, so if I see that okay, uh, basically. When j is at n, what I will do? I will see that okay, if j is equals to n, if it is equals to n, then break the loop. J is not equals to n basically. Hmm, because j stores the counting, and I will never update j again. How will I know? Oh. How will I know? When I know that when I reaches n or last index, okay. So when I want last index, what I will do, I will return. But J will store the count. Oh, J will never update it. And it will always start from 0. Hey, that's the that's the problem. J will not start from 0. J will start from which point? J will start from where I has been present. So that's what I will do. E buffer overflow means the J will cross the limit. So what I will do, J must be less than N. I got the wrong answer. Output, okay, std out A to B to fine. And in this, I got no std output. In this, I got A. So I have to calculate for the last fine. I will see that, okay, count is this. So basically, I have to calculate count outside. After knowing the count, now what I will do? I know that, okay, this is my count. So I will update the answer, and I have to create this variable outside. Fine. Now what I will do, I will take whatever the C I have, and then after that add that into the answer. So I got A2, B2, C3, A1, and then B12. Fine. And after that, what I will do, I have to return the count. So I will, okay, I have to store that all of this in n int I is equals to 0. So well, I is declared here. So I will take int j is equals to 0 for while j is less than n. What I will do, j is less than n, answer I, not answer, not answer, chars of j is equals to answer of j plus plus. And then I return it, okay, answer dot size. The j is equals to 0, redefinition. Okay, I have to take key here. And it's not depend on this, it depend on answer size. And I have to take care of this j. Will key crosses the limit? Yeah, key crosses the limit when there is only one character. I have to do this in place, right? We'll have to do this in place. I have to change original array. So if I want to change that original array, what should I do? I have to clear that case. And then after that, I will push all the characters that I have. Let's try. After clearing char x answer, and then chars dot pushback. In pushback, what I will do? I will do x equals to, for if x is not equals to, okay, so basically what I want to do here is, fine. So I have to do that same thing again. And one thing I don't have to do here is that what I will do. Int m. In m, while what I have to do here, that okay, if I see that okay, mm, answer of k is not equals to 1, basically not equals to 1. So at that time, what I will do, there is no need of m here, I think so. Mm, this should be key. K will increase always. Thing on wrong. Oh yeah. Wait, I got what I want, but then I have to do something. What I have to do? I see that answer is basically I got answer is equals to 1. So whatever the character I get, so if I get answer is equals to 1, at that time I have to take a pointer here. Int m is equals to 0. Fine, and then what I will do, I will take m here. And if I get at that time I only increase k. Otherwise, what I will do, if this is not equals to 1, then I have to do something that cares of m is equals to cares of not cares answer of k, and I will increase both k plus plus and m plus plus. Okay, and I have to keep in mind that n m must be less than n. Wrong answer. Why I got, I think so because of this. I got the output to be a this. Fine. But why? I have to print that okay. Care C answer, and I have to see out that what I get C, and then I got 1 2 B2 C3. I have to store it. A2. So I will see okay. I have a pointer. I have pointer K which is at this point, and there is another pointer which is M which is on this array. Now I will see that will k is less than answer dot size. Yeah, this is. So as this is less than answer dot size, okay, I have to remove this also. Oh, I don't know how I get this 3 here. So what I will do, that okay, this is my array and this is my answer string. Now what I will do, I will take one pointer here, and after it, what I will do, at chars of m, at chars of, if I will see, okay, answer k is equals to 1, answer k, no, this is not equals to 1. So what I will do, I will store at char m, I will store answer k, that what I have, and then what I will do, I will do k plus plus and m plus plus. So how 3 has been stored there? Hmm, क्या हो रहा है यहाँ? Did you attend? No, I wake up just now. I'm not giving Sunday contest because I wake up till 6. I have some work. Mostly I will give bi-weekly and Codeforces contest. But the first question is easy. I have seen. The first question is easy one. How I got 3 here? Like how? K is there? Is the key? No. I will see, okay, if k is less than answer dot key, answer dot size. So initially the k will be 0, m will be 0, fine. Now at chars m, I will see if k is not equals to 1, means else will run. So what I will do at chars m, what I will place? I will place answer k. So means answer 0. So this should be a string, right? Answer 0. And then I will move my k also and m also. So I don't know why I got this as to be answer. I will, how this will be 3. Oh, this will be 3. Oh, you're right. If this is equals to 1, then I have to do that. I got the runtime error. So if I get at this point only, so if I see 1 is there, okay. So I will move my I pointer also, G pointer also. So at that time, if I see I there, what I will do, I will move my key only and not have to do anything here. Output should be, mm, I will see A is there. So what I will do, I will place it at A. After that, I will move both the pointers. After moving the pointer, what I will see that, okay, answer K will hold 1. So if it hold 1, what I will do, I will move K. After moving k, oh, after moving k, after moving k, what happened? Hmm. I have to see that what's the problem, what's wrong, what's going wrong. So I see here is that okay, I have A, fine, A, B, 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 A, and basically 12 times B. And now A1, B1, 2. That's what I got. Now what I have to do here is I will take two pointers. One is K, another one is M. After taking both of the pointers, I will see if both are equal, then what I will do. No, I don't have to check that both are equal or not. What I will do at char M, it should be M, it should be K. I will see that okay, at chars M, I will put answer K. So I will put A here, fine. After that, my K has been moved. K. And after that, what I will do? So I will see, okay, answer of K is equals to 1. After seeing 1, what I will do? I will move my this pointer K. So this has been moved. But what I want, oh, here I will get 1. So if there is only 1, mm, if there is nothing after 1, ah, if I see that, okay, K is less than N, not K is less than an answer, not size, and then what I will do, I will check that, okay, if answer K is equals to 1, uh, now what I will check. If I get only 1, while creating a string, I store the count, right? If I see that, okay, if count is equals to 1, okay, if count is equals to 1, I will not store it. Count is not equals to, then I will store it. And also on that point also. Let me remove this. Now I don't have to do this. Wait a moment. Now what I will get? E2, EB12. So that's what I have to store. Okay, so I have to remove this, and this also. And I think so this also. G, G. Something went wrong. Time limit has been exceeded because this is J and now I have to increase J also. I got wrong answer. I got E here. E. Why A? Why I got output same as previous one? I got B. I have to store that particular variable. I got the std out and now while J is less than answer dot size. What I will do at char J, I will store answer J. So where is oh yeah. It should be K and int K is equals to 0 here. This is accepted. Did you solve problem 4 of today? No, no. I will see it later. Okay, so this is accepted, but this is not the optimal approach, I think so. So if I want to compress this string, or also have to store the count, uh, it is anything has been given in the question. The character in array beyond return length do not matter and should ignore. After you are modifying the input array, return the new length of array. So basically, I have to modify this original array. Should not return separately. Stored. Okay. So basically, what is my time complexity here? So time complexity should be big of n because another j will start from I, so it will never come back, right? So it another j, yeah, and I will be also depending on j. So the time complexity will be big of n only. And if I see that what is basically, if I remove this, what the hell is this? I have to remove this stuff. Now I will submit it again. Will this take less time? Yeah, what the hell? Mm, I completed that question string comparison. I already done this. Okay. What is this? Remove duplicate from sorted array. I already solved that question. How? What I have to do? Uh, Okay. So basically, non-remove the duplicate in places such that each unique element appear at most twice. It should be kept the same. Okay. I have to store all the element twice if they present. I have to use two pointer here. Now, along with that, I also use count, right? I think so. So I have to let me try that approach. Remove C out. It's taking time because of the. Yeah, yeah, I think so. Now remove the element duplicate. Remove the duplicate. So I will take int I is equals to 0 and I will write basic thing like what I will do when I have to remove all the duplicates only. So j is less than n and then j plus plus. And at that time, what I will do? I will see that, okay, I will start it from 1 because I know that first one is not duplicate. And now I will check that, okay, if nums j is not equals to nums of I minus 1, then at that time, what I will do? At nums of I will give nums of j. Okay, nums of j, and then I will increase I. And now here what I have to do that I also store the count, I think so. So initially the count will be 1. Now if I found that okay, I have to check that I have to do two things, I think so. I have to do if also and else also. So when I see that what is the count, I know I have to place that particular element. So suppose if I take this as an example, please there, right? So I will see, okay, I will be there and J will be there. Now what I see, okay, what J will hold? So J will hold 0. So he will ask from I, what is the previous element? So the previous element will be 0. Okay, and now after that, I will ask that, okay, what is your count? So the count will be 1. So if the count will be 1, then what I will do? Whatever the element that is carried by J, okay, what if count is less than 2? So no, less than equals to 2. If count is less than 2, no? Because if it will become equals to 2, then what I will do? Less than less than 2. Yeah. If count is less than 2, then what I will do? Whatever the element I have, I will give it to you, place it, and just move forward. And also I will move forward. Now I will see that okay, what is your current element? And mm, after placing, if I see okay, after placing, I have to do something. Huh. And then do count plus plus. And if I see that okay, count is greater than 2, then it means that I have to do count is equals to 0. I think so. Let's see. So basically, what I will do, I will see okay, initially, uh, why two loops chalao, I and j, two loops, but that will increase the complexity, I think so. So I was trying to think that how actually I will do. I know that I can do it with the help of the two loops, but I don't want to use that. So I was thinking that okay, I is there, j is there, and after that I will check okay, what j will holds. So j will hold 0. So what is the previous value of I? So previous value of I is 0. Okay, so what is the count of that? So count will be 1. So as the count will be 1, which 1 is less than 2, fine. So, oh, I will not do this then because this will hold. This will hold that. I also check that, okay, previous value is not equals to that value. Huh, I don't have to check that. If your count is less than, and if your previous value is same as current value, whatever the j will hold. Pre So I will see that, okay, what is the previous I value? So it should be 0. Fine. And this is equals to whatever the J current has. So as J current is now, the count is also less than 1. So what I will do? I will give it to the I and move my I pointer. After moving, okay, after that move my I pointer. Fine. After moving my I pointer, now what I will do? I will also increase the count, that what is the total count of that particular character or particular letter. So I will see that, okay, count will be 2. Now count will become 2. So if it will become equals to 2, then what I will do? If count is equals to 2, it means that 2 times this element has been present. Fine. So if I see that, okay, if it is equals to 2, what I will do? I will make the count is equals to 0. And after that, I will move my j pointer. Now I will see that what is the current element. So the current element would be what? So the current element would be 1. Now what I want to do? I want to check that what is your current count. So it should be 0. Fine. So if it should be 0, what I will do? What I will do? Uh, what I will do? So I will check that, okay, is a previous element is equals to that current element? No. As they are not equal, also I have to place it. At that time also I have to place that particular element. Mm, else what I will do? Wherever the I is present, I will store J, and after storing J, then what I will do? I will increase the I and increase the count also. So count will become 1, and after that I will increase J. Now I will see that, okay, what I will see? I will see that, okay, what is my current element? So current element would be 1. And now I will ask that, okay, what is count of 1? Basically count of 1. So count of 1 will be 1, which is lesser than 2. And then I will ask what the current element I have, will it be equals to the previous element that I has? Yes. So what I will do, I will give that element to the current element, current I, and then move my I pointer. And after that, I will increase the count also. After increasing the count, what I will see that, okay, it will become greater than equals to 2. So I will make the count is equals to 0, and then after that I will move my j point. So when I'm here, the count will become greater than equals to 0. But after that, as the count will become equals to 0, uh, there is a problem. There is a problem because now what I want here is that hmm, what I want here is that I have to know that how many times this element should be negative. So if I use hash map there, in which I will store the frequency of that particular character. Yeah, at how many times this will come. Because what I want to take I want to put a track that how many times this should come. So let's try that approach. Right, what I will do, I will create an unordered map int comma int mp for int I is equals to 0 or int j is equals to uh, it should be 1 and I plus plus nums dot size. Now what I will do, whatever the character that I will get, I will store it inside map. Right, okay, mp nums of I plus plus. So initially, what I will do, initially what I will do, suppose I will get that okay, j is there, I is there. Suppose if I put both of the pointers as 0 only, right, 0. Now I will see okay, I is equals to 0, j is equals to 0. Now what I will do, I will see okay, 0 is there. So after getting 0, I will see okay, if the count is or not count, I will go inside the map mp of nums of I and ask that okay, will this value is smaller than what? Smaller than equals to 2. So if the frequency is smaller than equals to 2, then what I will do? Then at that time, what I will do at nums of I will place whatever the nums of j, and then I will move I plus plus. Now let's do that. So I will see, okay, what is j? So I will create a map also. So initially I will see that, okay, 0 is present, 0 time. Okay, so I will see, okay, what is j? So j is 0. So I will see that what is the frequency inside the map. So it will be less than 2, less than 2. Fine. It should be less than 2. And okay, it should be less than 10. So then what I will do? So I will place that value at I pointer, and after that I will move my I pointer. Place that value at I pointer, and also after that I will increase that value that okay, this value will come 1 times. Now I will see that, okay, what is this value? So I got 0 again. So I will see, will j with whatever the element that is present at that point, whatever the element that is present at that point. I will take j is equals to 0 here. For wait. I have done something wrong. I'm searching for I, and then at j also I will store that I. What do driver DSA A to Z? Which laptop is under a laptop? So you can buy LOQ or return LOQ or something. अबे भाई कल से लाइव कर रहा है क्या प्रोग्राम या पढ़ी कल से नहीं कर रहा लाइक वही किया था शाम को और फिर उसके बाद रात में किया था 2 ढाई घंटे और फिर सुबह से कर रहा हूँ हाँ use smap and check value is equals to and return key yeah I was trying no need of j just check already exist or not if exist increase +1 yeah I was trying that I was thinking something that what I actually do mm, restore that okay. Oh, one thing also I can do here is that I can store the frequency of each element. And if I see the frequency is greater than 2, yeah, greater than 2, then what I will do? I will take two element from them and store it at that point. Let me try that approach also. Let, what I will do? I will use that map and then for index nums and inside that uh, mpx plus plus. So after that I will iterate. I will use another pointer int I is equals to 0. So for auto, auto and I, no, auto and I frequency. After that I will see that okay int element should be equals to I dot first and frequency should be equals to I dot second. As I know the frequency, if I see that okay frequency is greater than 2, huh, or what I will do, I got the frequency. If I see the frequency is greater than 2, then also I have to do. So for greater than 2, I have to store only two elements. Okay, frequency is greater than 2, then what I will do? At nums of I will store whatever the element is, and that nums I and then after that what I will do? I will again I do I plus plus here and I plus plus here and else if I will see that okay frequency is less than equals to 2. So if the while frac minus minus. What I will do? Nums of I plus plus equals to elements. So what I have to return? I have to return I. Let me check. Element. No whatever overload operator. Nums of I. It should be J. Uh, Map is not sorted. It will give me frequency, but ah, that is the wrong idea. So, so from this, I was thinking something else. What I will do, okay, I will take I, and if I will see, okay, if this is less than 2, no need, okay. If I store the frequency, okay, if I store the frequency previously, then I will see, okay, I got this character. I got, suppose if I get 1, after getting 1, what I want, int count, it MP of nums of I. So knowing that, after knowing 1, while count minus minus. Okay, so for that I have to do this. Because what I want duplicate only, right? So if I see that, okay, count is greater than 2, so one thing I will do here is that I will take J, and in nums of J, I will store nums of I, and then I will move here here int, okay, x dot second plus equals to 1. Auto I nums only second first second okay I got three one time what is this mpx not first is equals to x. 3 come 1 times and 2 come 2 times and 1 come 1 times. Fine. After that, I will do something. But what? So I will see that what is the count of that element by doing that second. Okay, and if I want to know that what is that element that should be first. So what I will do if I see that okay, count is greater than 2. So what I have to do? At nums of j, I will store the element. Okay, this has been element, and because what I want to store it 2 times only. I will do this operation 2 times. And else what I will do, I will see that okay, while count minus minus, if count will not become equals to 0, what I will do at nums of j, I will write down whatever the element I have, and then I will return my j. Will this work? Hmm. Crosses the range. J crosses the range. J crosses the range. Huh? What how? If J is less than n, Storing, I know the count. I also know the element. And now what I want to do here is to clearly or just frequency doesn't exist. You don't have to use map, bro. Okay, so frequency without map, how can I know that okay this element is comes two times? Or will I store it inside a variable? If I store it inside a variable, okay, this will come two times. And after that, I have to do something. Like remove this. This is not the good approach. One, 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 two, two, and then there is three. I is there, and now J is there. I will see that okay, what is J? J is basically one. What is the count of that one? So it should be one, not one. Basically, it should be zero. So as I see, okay, it should be zero. So I will place it at I and then move my I pointer. After that, I will move my J pointer also. Now I will see that, okay, what is that element? So that element is basically 1. So what is the count of it? So the count will be 1. No. What is the count? Yeah, count would be 1. So what I will do, I will place it at I and then move my J pointer. Not move my J pointer. I will move my I pointer. After that, again, I will see that, okay, J is there. So as J is there, now what I will do? I will see that, okay, what is the count? So it is 1. And now I at I two times 1 has been repeated. So what I will do, I will see that okay, J, what is current count? So current count is 1. It means that it's and this will come two times. So as this will come two times, um, as this will come two times, so what I will do? At that time, I have to put the count is equals to 0. When the count is equals to 0, when count is become equals to 2, I will make the count to be equals to 0. Yeah, I will see if that count is. So I will make the count is equals to 0. And now I will see. Oh, okay, so I is there and now this J has been visited. 1 again. But what I want that what I get 1. So how many times 1 comes previously? So 1 comes 2 times. So I already, so it means that I have to leave that element. So for knowing that how many times it would come, I have to store it somewhere. And what actually the count will do? So count will become 0 when I see that okay, it is greater than 2 now or equals to 2 now. At that time, what I will do count is equals to 0. So I will try that question in afternoon. I have to take a path. So meet you in afternoon. Till then.